Full frame versus APS-C. I suppose that this battle will never end, and today we've just got the next season of that, and we will compare Sigma 18-50 f2.8 for APS-C and Sony 24-70 f2.8 GMaster. And of course one is for APS-C and the another one is for full frame, but they have similar focal range, so that's why we are going to compare them. And we have to begin from the size. As you can see right now, the difference is huge. The one is 250 grams and another one is around 900 grams, so the difference is huge. In the terms of focal range, we have also some kind of difference, because 18 millimeters is equivalent of 27 millimeter in a full frame equivalent, so the 24-70 is wider. But on the telephoto side, we've got more reach on the Sigma 18-55, because 50 is equal around 75 millimeter of full frame equivalent. In terms of build quality, of course, GMaster seems to be visibly better and have some button switches on its body. And let's zoom in on the telephoto side, and it's kinda hard right now to say the bigger difference, but I think that 70 millimeters was a little bit better in this example. And let's take a look on the some examples, and here we've got in both lenses we will see some chromatic aberration in here, so you also have to mention it. There are zoom lenses, standard zoom lenses, and both of them have still some chromatic aberration, even GMaster from Sony. Of course, and the bokeh side on the 24 millimeters, we will have much more bokeh on full frame lens, so it's clear. And also on the telephoto side, we have huge difference in terms of bokeh and background blur. So that's the main difference for these lenses. And let's take a look once again on the sharpness of both lenses on some kind of bigger frame, and let's see once again the difference between the size, because Sigma is definitely more like a carry around lens, and Sony GMaster is huge. It's 900 grams, and it's one of the reasons I decided to sell this one. Okay, and let's take a look on the telephoto side. The sharpness at f6.3, and of course GMaster is sharper. In here we've got much details and the image looks clearly better. And on the wider side and f2.8, we also can see that Sony GMaster is visibly sharper and gets more detail. And right now let's see the same on the f6.3, and the same once again. Sony GMaster is visibly sharper, so I think that most of you could expect this. And of course you have to question yourself if you are ready to walk around with this huge piece of glass with GMaster, or maybe APS-C and have 250 grams on its body. You have to of course mention this, that it's not so sharp as Sony. As you can see right now, once again it's around, I think, 35 millimeters, and we once again can see that Sigma is no close to GMaster right now. But in terms of autofocus, as you can see right now, I think that they are kind of similar. I'm not able to see any major difference. Both are fast, snappy and accurate, always on point, so I cannot tell anything anything wrong about any of this lens. So guys, I think that it will be everything for today's video. I hope that you will like, subscribe and comment below. Please let me know in the comment section also what do you think about these two lenses. Maybe you prefer the bigger one, GMaster, or maybe you are more into APS-C side and small, light and easy to carry around lens like Sigma 18-55. Thank you for watching guys, see ya.